Hey there, I'm Julianna, Jules Avelar, the inventor of the Jewel Loom, and I am so excited. I am absolutely in love with my YouTube channel because it gives me the opportunity to serve you, to teach you, and I love making jewelry and wire working and all kinds of things. I've been pretty much creative my whole entire life. In fact, you might recognize me from Aleene's Creative Living. That's right, that's where I got my start back in the day, and here I am. So much fun. But listen, I'm going to be using the original Jewel Loom, and I have a plethora of new looms. Look how beautiful they are. All the designer looms, so much fun. So we're making bracelets and, you know, necklaces and earrings and, well, anything that just pretty much comes to mind. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to teach you. I can't wait to share with you. I hope that you share with me as well. And I would be forever grateful if you subscribe to the channel and do that little notification thing so that when I do upload a new video, you will know. And by all means, please communicate with me. I have a texting community. It's free to you. And so if there's something specific you want to learn, text me, let me know. Okay. Thank you. I look forward to being together and having fun here on the Jewel Loom channel. All right. Bye.